Assalamualaikum dear learners. This is Mahmoud Mia, Assistant Teacher Chemistry, BM Laboratory School Habibgans. Welcome all of you are in my chemistry classroom. I hope by the grace of Almighty Allah, all of you are fine and stay at home, stay steady. And last day we discussed about the ionic bond and ionic bond formation process of the chapter of your chemistry text. Chapter 5, the name of this chapter is chemical bond. Today, I like to discuss about the bond formation process. What type of bond formation process? That is covalent bond. After this discussion, we will be able to learn what is covalent bond and we'll be able to explain about the lone pair electron and non-pair electron and the covalent bond formation process. Okay? So, here is an example. And it is the electronic configuration of oxygen, and it is also another oxygen. Okay, so we get by the process of orbital, the electronic configuration of oxygen is like this. So it has 6 electrons in the outer shell, and we know it is non-metal. And the condition for covalent bond, the bond will be formed between 2 or more than 2 elements by sharing electron. So what will be the definition of covalent bond? The definition of covalent bond is like this: when 2 or more than 2 nonmetal join together by sharing electron. This bond is called covalent bond, and this compound is called covalent compound. Okay, so dear learners, today we get from the electronic configuration of oxygen. It has 6 electrons in the outer shell and 2 electrons is non-pair, and on the other hand here 1 pair, I mean 2 pair of electrons, that is stated as pair electrons. So it is not interested to participate in the bond. This non-pair electron will participate in the bond. This electron is known as bond pair electron and also non-pair electrons. And this bond is known as pair electrons, I mean lone pair electron, that is not interested to forming the bond. And sometimes it will be formed the coordination covalent bond, but sometimes it is. Okay, so the electron in the outer shell of the elements that is as pair electron and not interested to forming the bond, this pair electron is known as lone pair electron. On the other hand, the electron in the outer shell that is state as non-pair, it will be interested to forming the bond. So when 2 oxygen come each other nearest, one oxygen and another oxygen, we get by the electronic configuration of oxygen, it has 2 electron non-pair and also it has 2 electron non-pair. But both oxygen has a tendency to acid the electronic configuration of its nearest inert gas, like neon. Okay, so the nearest inert gas of oxygen is neon. So we get from the electronic configuration of neon. So neon, okay, so neon has 10 electron also. So it has 2 electron in the first orbit and 8 electron in the outer shell. Okay, that is called octet. Due to the 8 electron of the inert gas, it is not interested to forming bond. So this oxygen has tendency to acid the electronic configuration of its nearest inert gas like neon, and this oxygen also has same tendency to acid the electronic configuration of its nearest inert gas like neon. So when 2 oxygen come each other nearest, both oxygen are not interested to donate electron. As a result, they will be joined together by sharing electron. And from the oxygen molecules, both oxygen also acid the electronic configuration of its nearest inert gas like this. So like this it fulfill octet. Okay, and it is also full octet. Okay, so also get the stable electronic configuration. By this process, both oxygen acid the electronic configuration of its nearest inert gas like neon. By this way they are formed the oxygen molecules. Okay, so it is the way to forming the covalent bond and covalent molecules. So if we like to discuss again. So when oxygen and another oxygen come each other nearest, oxygen elements has a tendency to accept the electronic configuration of its nearest inert gas. So when both oxygen come each other nearest, they are not able to donate electron. That is why they have a tendency to accept the electronic configuration of its nearest inert gas like neon. So when oxygen elements come each other nearest, both elements join together by sharing electron and also get the stable electronic configuration of its nearest inert gas like neon. By this process, the oxygen molecules is formed. This bond is called covalent bond. This molecule is called covalent molecule. Okay. So my dear learners, you will be able to discuss like this process if you discuss. Okay. The bond formation process. Bond formation process. Bond formation process of hydrogen molecules, chlorine molecules, fluorine molecules, and also nitrogen molecules. By this process, you will be able to discuss the bond formation process, hydrogen molecules, chlorine molecules, fluorine molecules, and nitrogen molecules also. So till then, I think you will be SK at your home. So till then, Allah Hafiz.